Afternoon, folks. All of this stuff normally lives in our van when we go away on our long trips. Not all of it on the shorter ones, but definitely on a long trip. This is everything. And to be perfectly honest, I didn't realise we had that much. I don't know about you, love.
Well, it sometimes pays, I think, to really empty it all.
Yes.
It has forced our hands, and as most of you will know, our van's in for repairs.
Yes, it is. Yes, it's down at M&C at the moment under the technician's knife. So obviously we had to empty it before it went in, and now is a good opportunity to go through everything bit by bit and decide what we use and what we don't use.
Alan Siska's more travels, come along and see the open road adventure and sweet simplicity. Campfires glowing, wheels keep rolling on. We're living the dream where we belong.
Yeah, well, there's normally, we've got 2 bags, but when you've got one out the cupboard.
Yes.
Because it lives in a cupboard here. But I mean, like, hang on, how many chairs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chairs. One of which we know is broken.
Yes.
You know, come on.
Yeah, why do we need all of this stuff?
Why do we, and hundreds of cups.
Yeah.
I don't know how much cutlery we've got.
Yeah, God knows.
Yeah,
so
we'll make a start at the beginning.
Yeah, wish us luck, folks. We're going to get on with this. And we will show you what we're doing, but not all of it, because I think this is going to take us at least 2 to 3 hours to go through this lot.
You mean 2 or 3 days?
Yeah. Right. Starlink.
Right, as is, isn't it?
As is.
Yeah.
Stays at home.
Yeah. That could go straight in the cupboard then, couldn't it? If you wanted to.
No, I'm going to pop it here for the minute. Now that's an empty box.
Yeah.
I'm going to pop over here.
Right.
And then we'll go through and we'll sort it all out.
Right,
but
okay.
that is stuff that stays at home.
Right, okay.
Right, next box.
Yeah, because we'll have to sort of put things in.
That's definitely for the stays in the motorhome.
Uh-huh.
Right, what we got in here?
I ain't got a clue. That's lots of kitchen stuff.
Lots of kitchen stuff in here.
Yeah, hang on a minute. Right.
Right, what we got in here? Right. Oh look, Ziploc bags. Food bags.
Well, we do need them in the van.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah. Right. Need.
Ridge monkeys. That stays.
Toaster. Oh yeah, I packed this well, Alan. Right, we need somewhere for all of this stuff as well.
Do we really need 5 bowls?
No, we don't need 5 bowls, and I bought some nice little ones as well.
Right, what are we doing with these then?
I don't know, car boot.
Right, okay, put them with the stuff that we don't need anymore.
Yeah. Plastic cups.
Right.
Are you sure that's all of them? No? Oh, make that 12. 12. We do not need 12 plastic cups. Is that all of them? You sure about that? Yes. Yes, we are.
We are positive that that is all of them.
Yes.
We need 1, 2, 3, 4 of those max.
Yeah. What we're doing with them.
They can go over there. We've had a quick tea break, and it's we've actually started to make a dent in it now. So yeah, got one pile over there, another one down there, and another one down there. I'll explain what they are later. But we're making a hole. We're getting there.
Guys, I need basically anything that gets put in the van, if you know what I mean.
Yes.
That we can put away, and then we have an empty box.
So, that's only taken us a few hours. Right, so we now have 3 distinct piles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still a big pile.
Yeah, they're still big piles. Right, the first pile is everything that's going back into the van and will live in the van. It's all the essential stuff. Electric hookup cables, levelling ramps, the front screen, a couple of chairs.
All the kitchen stuff.
Yeah, all the kitchen stuff. It's all there. Plus those two those boxes over there with the blue lids are the 2 that live in the garage with all the spare electrical stuff and all the rest of it.
Well, there's a couple of bits in there that don't stay in there, but yeah.
Yeah, but that's what all of that lot is. That's all going back in the van and it lives in the van.
Yeah.
We now have a second pile here, which is stuff that we use occasionally. Not all the time, and there's no point in carrying it around. The Starlink is in the big box there. That generally only goes to Europe, so it stays at home when we're not there. Our little gas stove, we've got that at home for emergencies. Backpacks, bike helmets, spare chairs for when we're taking extra people, i.e. the grandkids come with us. I mean, there's only 2 of us, so we only technically need 2 chairs.
Yeah.
But if extra people come, then we've got the spare chairs. And that little pile there, and I know it doesn't look a lot, is not going back anywhere.
No,
either
binned or in the house.
Yeah, binned or being repurposed in the house because we don't use it.
Yeah.
I know it doesn't look a lot, but I would say there's probably a good 10 kilos worth of stuff there.
Easy.
That we were lugging about that we don't need and don't use.
Yeah.
So, it's all good. So, I think that was a good little exercise to go through that little lot.
Yeah, I need a cup of tea and a sit down.
Yeah, cup of tea time. Hold on a minute. Let's just set this up a minute.
Oh yes, I'm being very antisocial at the moment and I don't care.
Yeah. But, so what we've done, that's sorted out everything in the van, and I think we should do that at least once a year from now on.
Yeah, ideally, yeah.
Because, I mean, okay, yes, we've had the ideal opportunity to do it this time because the van's away and we've had to take everything out of it.
Yeah, well, our hand was forced, yeah.
Yeah, our hand was forced, but it's been a good exercise to sort everything out.
Yeah.
I mean, those 2 large boxes in the pile to go back won't be staying in the van. That's just got everything that needs to be put in cupboards. Yeah. And that pile of stuff that's not coming back, when you're in a small space like a motorhome, that's a full cupboard's worth.
Oh, at least, yeah.
You know, so that's a full cupboard that we've now reclaimed.
Yes.
Of stuff that we don't use. So, on that note, hope everybody finds this video useful and possibly gives them the impetus to go out and sort out all their stuff in their motorhome or caravan or campervan.
Yes. Do we really need all of this?
Yes, do we really need it all? And are we carrying around a load of weight that we don't need and using extra fuel? So, on that note, we will say thank you very much to everybody for watching. Don't forget to drop a comment down below if you've done something like this before or you've found stuff that you don't use in your van. Give us a like and give us a subscribe as well, because that's a free one. That's the one that doesn't cost anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that one.
Yeah, like that one.
Right, so on that note, folks, we will see you all on the next one. Bye.